Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, How to Guide. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can upload an IGTV video on Instagram. So it's pretty simple to upload an IGTV video on Instagram. So just follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. And yeah, so those videos which are longer than 1 minute, which are posted on your Instagram is known as IGTV video, alright? But those videos which are less than 1 minute is not called IGTV video. It is like, on the post section. So just keep that in mind. If you want to upload an IGTV video on Instagram, your video needs to be at least more than like 1 minute. If it is 20 second, 30 second, 59 second, it's not gonna be an IGTV video. It needs to be longer than 1 minute. Alright, so if you guys are trying to upload a video longer than 1 minute, then basically it's automatically gonna be converted into an IGTV video. So let me show you guys. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's dive into the video. So the first thing is you want to click on the plus icon after opening your Instagram. And once you click on the plus icon, you want to choose the video which is longer than 1 minute, which is on your phone. So this video is longer than 1 minute, so I'm going to click on this video over here, which is 1 minute 44 seconds. After you select the video, you want to click on this arrow over here, and it shows you over here share as short video or long video. So if you click on short video, this video is going to be automatically cropped into 1 minute. But if you want to upload it as an IGTV video, click on long video and the video won't be cut. So click on long video and continue, and it shows you just like this. So you can choose whichever part of the video you want to be added as a cover photo. So you can choose whichever you want and click on next. And it says over here you want to add title of this video. It's going to be uploaded an IGTV video over here, new IGTV video, random. I want to add the title as random. I don't want to add any description. I want to click on post to IGTV, and this video is being posted to my IGTV. So that's basically how you guys can upload an IGTV video on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And yeah, hope you guys were able to upload IGTV video by watching our video, and bye bye.